Hi everybody, my name's Steph. This is my friend Jenny. She's the artist of this beautiful mural behind us. Go check out her art. It's Jenny Handel, Handel. And this is going to be a 30-minute class to get deep into your core. In yoga philosophy, the core, your navel center, is said to be the home of your third chakra, which is the space from which you radiate out your vitality, your confidence, your strength. I had a teacher describe it to me as being the internal sun of your body. So this is where all of your unique talents lie. And as you start to connect to your third chakra, you're able to radiate out those talents with confidence and without worrying about if they're shining bright enough or if they're not shining enough. And we chose this mural because we've got what seems to be a lovely sun in the background. So whenever you're looking at that, you can think of that sort of quality that you're using as you connect to your core. And to get started, we'll chant one Om. You can think of Om as a way to help clear and center your mind. So connect your hands together at heart center, close your eyes, sit up tall. Take a deep breath in to begin. Keep your eyes closed. Place your left hand over your heart, right hand over your belly button. Tune into the rhythm of your breath. Visualize your breath like a light that starts in your navel center underneath your right hand. And then as you inhale, it moves up into your heart center to expand and open your chest. As you breathe out, visualize your breath and the light move down the opposite direction. Invite your breath to move evenly into both of these centers. Remember, your navel is the source of your vitality, strength, personal power, individuality. I invite you to stay connected to these centers as you start to move. Blink your eyes open, stretch your arms up to 60 degrees. Open your palms out. This is your inhale. As you exhale, you're going to make fists and strike your ribs firmly, and then you'll inhale to re-extend, and we're moving rather quickly. So inhale, exhale. Once you get used to the motion, close your eyes. Plug your sitting bones down into your mat to help reach the crown of your head up towards the ceiling. Really strike your ribs with intention. It helps to clear out any stagnation from your lungs. And you're also stimulating the little meridians in your side body and through your armpits. Has a very energizing effect on your nervous system. Stay with it. Inhale, reach your arms up, pause your breath, tone your pelvic floor. Sit very tall, be still. And exhale, tabletop, come to hands and knees. Stack your shoulders above your wrists, knees beneath your hips. Begin your Ujjayi breath in and out your nose. Curl all 10 of your toes under. Inhale, cow pose. Arch your back, look up. Exhale, cat, round your spine, hold. Push your toes into the floor, hover your shins about 6 inches off of the ground. Find your breath. Pull your low belly up and in. Puff the space between your shoulder blades up towards the ceiling. Inhale, cow, lower your knees and your shins, pull your heart forward. Exhale, cat, round your back, push into your toes, hover your shins. Pause and breathe, push into your hands. Imagine you want to press the whole entire earth away from you. Inhale, cow, lower your knees, gaze up. Exhale, neutralize your spine. High plank, step both of your feet back. Take your feet out a little bit wider than hip width distance. Shoulder taps, tap your right hand to your left shoulder and switch side to side. You're welcome to do this with your knees on the floor. Micro bend your elbows. So you have to plug into your shoulders and your low belly instead. Challenge yourself to keep your hips and your pelvis steady. So the movement is just in your arms. Might help to take your feet out a little bit wider. You can try a little bit of a smile if you start to feel a lot of fire. Even yourself out. And then inhale, high plank, pause. Exhale, forearm plank. Place your forearms and elbows on the ground. Again, you're welcome to place your knees on the floor if you need additional support. Notice the muscles about 4 finger widths beneath your belly button. Pull those muscles back and up to help lengthen your tailbone towards your heels. Lengthen the back of your neck, inhale. Exhale, Sphinx pose. Place your knees and hips on the floor. Without moving your hands, pull the back of your heart forward. Might feel good to kind of wag your tailbone from side to side. Ground your pubic bone down into your mat. Feel the vitality you've been inviting into your navel center. Move with your low belly. Inhale, curl your toes under. Exhale, forearm plank, lift your hips. Inhale, high plank, push up to your hands. Use your low belly. Exhale, walk your feet forward. Little baby steps forward to ragdoll. The smaller the steps are, the more you use your low belly. And then ragdoll, place your feet hip width distance or even wider. You could hook your pinkies into opposite elbows. You could clasp your hands behind your neck to deepen the effect of gravity. Let yourself hang down towards the floor. You could bend your knees or sway. Where can you relax? And take your hands to the floor or a block. You can bend your knees as much as you need to. Toe heel your big toes together to touch. Big breath in, bend your knees, roll up to standing 1 vertebra at a time. Let your head arrive last. At the top, roll your shoulders open. Samastitihi, rest your arms by your sides, turn your palms in towards your body, close your eyes. Feel your connection to your navel center. Allow your breath to move into your belly. If you have a personal intention or dedication for your practice, please set that now. And inhale, circle your arms overhead. Exhale, find a steeple grip. Interlace your hands, but point your index finger straight up towards the ceiling. Push down into your feet, reach the crown of your head higher. Inhale. Exhale, lean to the right. Lift up and over. Push your hips out to the left. Square your shoulders and your hips forward. You may need to peel your left shoulder slightly back and open. Ground into the mounds of your toes. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, lean to the left, up and over. Focus your breath lateral, out into your right ribs, right obliques. Connect to the strength of your obliques to lean a little bit farther. Firm your thighs. Inhale, reach your arms high. Exhale, forward fold. Guide your hands through heart center. Bend your knees if you need to touch the floor. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, hands to shins, or keep your fingertips on the floor. Take a few breaths in this first one to flatten from the crown of your head through your tailbone. Bend your knees as much as you need to make your low back long. Roll your collarbones back and open. Inhale. Exhale, high plank. Plant your hands, step your feet back. Stretch your heart forward, breathe in. Exhale, lower to your belly. 3, 2, 1. Locust rolls. You could either cactus out your elbows or interlace your hands behind your back. Squeeze your heels and inner thighs together. Exhale, prepare. High. Inhale, lift everything off the ground. Lift your elbows, your chest, your feet. And exhale, lower back down to the ground. 3 more. Inhale, rise up. Reach your heart forward. Exhale, lower to the ground. Inhale, roll up. Keep the back of your neck long. Look down towards your cheeks. Exhale, lower to the floor. Last one. Inhale, rise. This time, hold and breathe. Ground your navel center down into the floor. Straighten and activate the backs of your legs. Relax your jaw. Lift up as high as you can. Inhale. Exhale, lower. Place your hands beneath your shoulders. Curl your toes under. Inhale, high plank. You could always do that on your knees. Exhale, chaturanga, lower halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. Take your time here. Remember Sphinx pose. Again, pull the back of your heart forward. Push the tops of your feet into the floor until your kneecaps lift. Lift your sternum as high as you can. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your hip bones high. Connect to the steadiness of your Ujjayi breath. Flow 1 breath, 1 movement. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step or jump to the front of your mat, big toes touch. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, heart forward. Exhale, forward fold. Breathe in, rise to standing, circle your arms up, firm your thighs. Exhale, Samastitihi, come back to your midline. Inhale, reach your arms up, find a steeple grip. Exhale, lean to the right, up and over. Inhale to center. Exhale, lean to the left. Breathe in, reach high. Exhale, forward fold. Pull your low belly up and in to support your low back. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, heart forward. Exhale, chaturanga. You're always welcome to do it on your knees or skip it. Inhale, up dog, peel open. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, step or jump to your hands. Big toe pose. Toe heel your feet hip width distance. Wrap your peace sign fingers around your big toes, even if you need to bend your knees. Hold your grip. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, fold deeper. Relax your neck. Pull your elbows out to the sides of the room to help free up some space in your neck and in your upper back. Notice your low belly. Pull your low belly up and in, and notice that might help you to lift up out of your hips. Keep your grip around your big toes. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, gorilla pose. Slide your palms face up underneath your feet. Bend your knees as much as you need to get your toes to the creases of your wrists. Keep your hands there. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, fold deeper. Relax your neck. If you feel balanced here, you can shift a little weight forward into your palms. It helps to reset the bones in your hands and in your wrists. Make sure there's no tension in your neck. And remove your hands from underneath your feet. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, lengthen your spine. Exhale, standing splits. Lift your left heel up towards the ceiling. Be gentle, bend your bottom knee as much as you need to so you can activate and energize your lifted leg. Reach your left heel as high as you can, breathe in. Exhale, Shiva squat, bend both knees, squeeze your left knee behind your right, hold your squat. Inhale, twist, lift your right arm open. You could stay here, or you could exhale, wrap your right arm around your low back. Focus your breath deep into your belly. Belly breaths when you twist help to massage your internal organs, helps you to connect you to the power of your core. If you took the wrap, inhale, lift your right arm. Exhale, take your hand down. Lift your left heel, breathe in. Listen carefully, exhale, tap your left toes to the back of your left wrist as high as you can. Use your low belly, I know it's kind of awkward. Good, again, inhale, standing splits. Exhale, tap your toes to the back of your wrist. Inhale, standing splits. Exhale, forward fold. Relax your neck. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, reach your heart forward. Exhale, boat pose. Bend your knees so that you can sit down. You could have your feet down on the floor. You could hover your shins parallel to the ground. If you want to build more fire, extend your legs out in front of you. Roll your shoulders back and open. So your navel center is affiliated with the element of fire. You can think of your digestive fire. This is how you digest not only your food, you also digest ideas and information. Connect your palms together at your heart. Bend your knees, pull your knees into your chest, inhale. Exhale, twist to the right, hook your left elbow outside your right thigh. If that's too much, put it between your knees instead, but find some resistance here. Push your arm into your leg, leg into your arm. Open your chest, try that smiling thing, hold 3, 2, 1, inhale back to center. Exhale, twist to the left, right elbow outside your knee. Or again, you have the option to put it between your inner thighs. Squeeze everything, find the resistance, arm into leg, leg into arm, 3, 2, 1 more each way faster. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist, hold 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist, hold 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center. Exhale, hold onto the backs of your knees. Be playful, rock and roll backwards and forwards. Rock up to standing forward fold. You're welcome to use your hands to come up. Feel your Ujjayi breath. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, reach your heart forward. Exhale, standing splits, lift your right heel up towards the ceiling. Again, be gentle, bend your bottom knee as much as you need to. And pull your shoulders away from your ears, closer to the ceiling above you. Activate and energize your lifted leg, inhale. Exhale, Shiva squat, bend both knees, right knee behind your left, hold. Inhale, revolve, reach your left arm up towards the ceiling. Again, you could stay or exhale, wrap your left arm around your low back. Notice that you're in a twist. Can you keep your spine long through the twist? Reach your chest away from your hips. Bring a sense of softness into your face. If you took the wrap, inhale, lift your left arm. Exhale, take your hand down. Standing splits, breathe in. Exhale, tap your toes as high up on your right wrist as you can. It might work your upper thigh. Again, inhale, standing splits. Exhale, tap. Feel your low belly. Inhale, standing splits. Exhale, forward fold, curl your head down. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, reach your heart forward. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale, chair pose, Utkatasana. Bend your knees, reach your arms overhead. Breath by breath, connect to your edge. Shift a lot of weight into your heels to relax your toes. Squeeze your inner thighs together, breathe in. Exhale, cactus your elbows, find Gyan Mudra, thumb and pointer finger touch. Lift your heels off the earth. It's okay to wobble. Squeeze your inner thighs. Can you connect to your midline? Go deeper, inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Make sure your knees are still in line with one another. Straighten your spine. Widen your elbows away from one another to help stretch into your chest. Good, inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist to the left. Practice nice thoughts about yourself. Wobbling means you found an edge. Edges are where you grow, stay with it. Inhale, come back to center. Go deeper, exhale. Inhale, chair, heels down, reach high. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, half lift. Exhale, Chaturanga. You're welcome to practice hopping back. Inhale, up dog, heart forward. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe in, lift your right leg, three-legged dog. Exhale, low lunge, step your foot between your hands. Inhale, rocket ship lunge. Reach your arms and your torso diagonally forward. Stay with the steadiness of your breath. Find a long line of energy from the crown of your head through your lifted heel. Lift your back heel high to energize your back leg. Activate your low belly, lift your chest up away from your thigh, inhale. Exhale, fly your arms. Keep the hinge. Little fire in your leg is good. Activate your outer right hip to help pull your right hip back into the same line as your left. Big movement, be playful. Inhale, staff vertical twist. Lift your left knee, circle your left arm up and open. To deepen the twist, option to take your right hand outside your lifted thigh. For more of a core activation, option to extend your left leg. To challenge your balance, look back past your left pinky finger. Rise up out of your right thigh, inhale. Exhale, low lunge. Imagine you're moving through water. Take your hands to the floor, big step back. Inhale, three-legged dog, lift your right leg. Exhale, right knee, left tricep. Pull forward, pause and breathe. Push down equally through both of your hands. Lengthen the back of your neck. Inhale, three-legged dog, press back. Exhale, low lunge, step through. Inhale, warrior two. Spin your back heel down, tee out your arms, open your hips wide. Exhale, turn your palms up. Find Gyan Mudra. Connect your thumb to your pointer finger. Close your eyes. Feel the pressure between your fingertips. In yoga philosophy, your thumb represents the entire universe. Your pointer finger represents you as a unique individual. Helps you to feel your connection to all things as well as your individuality. Keep your fingers here. Inhale, straighten your front leg, reach your arms up. Exhale, side angle, bend your knee and reach both arms diagonally forward. Good. Feel your obliques. Widen through the fronts of your hips. Hug your right sitting bone under towards your left heel. Strong legs. Inhale, reverse warrior. Reach your right arm up and back. Recommit to the deep bend in your front knee. Good. Let this be a side body stretch rather than a back bend. Reach back to your edge. Inhale. Exhale, low lunge, cartwheel down. Find your low belly, do a pistol squat. It doesn't have to be pretty. Send your left leg straight through to sit down. Straighten both legs out in front of you. Flex your ankles, reach your arms forward. Curl your tailbone forward to lower down to your back, one vertebra at a time. Once you're on your back, hug your knees into your chest. Give yourself a little hug. Lift your shoulder blades high up off the floor. Guide your nose up between your knees. This is your exhale position. Inhale, lay your head back, tee out your arms. Extend your legs out to about 60 degrees or closer, whatever feels good in your low belly. And then exhale, hug your knees in, lift your shoulder blades. Keep moving like this, little yogi sit-ups. Inhale, extend your legs out, head back. Exhale, pull your knees in. Find your rhythm. Push your low back firmly down into the floor. It's okay if you lift your legs up to about 90 degrees. What's important is that you plug your low back firmly into the earth. Energize your toes away from your body. Rotate your inner thigh muscles in towards one another. Last one. Inhale, extend your legs out. Pause your breath, tone your pelvic floor. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hug your knees in, lift your shoulder blades. Whew. Good. Hold the backs of your knees. Playfully rock and roll forward and back. Build up enough momentum to rock up to high plank. You could cross your ankles. You could swing your legs to one side. Make your way to downward facing dog however you want to. Option to go straight there. Option to do a vinyasa. Feel your ujjayi breath. Feel the energy flowing through your system. Inhale, lift your left leg, 3-legged dog. Exhale, low lunge, step forward. Breathe in, rocket ship lunge. Stretch your arms and your torso diagonally forward. Squeeze your inner thigh muscles in towards one another. Encourage your back hamstrings up towards the ceiling. Activate your left gluteus medius, the big muscle outside your left hip. Pull your left hip back in line with your right. Inhale. Exhale, fly your arms. Can you make your torso feel longer? Reach your chest away from your hips. Keep half your weight in your back leg. Use your belly to help anchor yourself in this moment. Big movement, inhale, staff, vertical twist. Lift your right knee, circle your right arm up and open. If you did on the other side, you could take your hand outside your thigh, maybe straighten your front leg. Go into the subtlety. With every inhale, stand taller. Every exhale, twist a little deeper. Broaden through your chest, inhale. Exhale, low lunge, take your hands to the floor, big step back. Breathe in, 3-legged dog, lift your left leg. Exhale, left knee, right tricep, twist, squeeze. How high can you get your elbow, rather your knee, up towards your armpit? Strong arms, inhale, 3-legged dog, push back. Exhale, low lunge, step through. Breathe in, warrior 2. Virabhadrasana 2, spin your back heel down, tee out your arms. Settle in. Exhale, turn your palms up. Find Gyan Mudra, connect your thumb and your pointer finger. Close your eyes. Even though you're low in your leg, stay long in your torso. Lift through your chest. Keep your fingers where they are. Inhale, straighten your front leg. Reach your arms up. Exhale, side angle, bend your left knee, but hinge both arms diagonally overhead. Rotate your left knee open so that your knee points over your second toe. Ground your right heel into the floor. Angle your tailbone back towards your right heel. Strong legs, inhale, reverse warrior. Reach your left arm up and back. Glide your left shoulder down, away from your ear. Knock your right shoulder, head back and open. Feel your breath in your left rib, reach back deeper, inhale. Exhale, low lunge, cartwheel down. Use your core to do a pistol squat. Send your right leg straight through. And this time, swing your legs around so that you can sit on your heels. If that isn't comfortable, you could put a blanket underneath your hamstrings or sit on a block. We'll do a deep twist. Take your right hand to the floor outside your thigh. Inhale, circle your left arm open. Exhale, hook your left elbow outside your right thigh. Work your elbow down towards the floor. You could stay here or reach your right arm overhead. You could stay there or wrap your right arm around your low back and maybe work your hand towards your inner thighs. If this doesn't feel good to your neck, you could put a block or a pillow or a blanket underneath your head. Feel your breath deep in your belly. Twisting is very soothing, as well as energizing for your navel center, for your third chakra. If you took the wrap, lift your right arm, inhale. Exhale, place your hand on the floor. Lift your torso back up to center, close your eyes, pause for a moment. Reset your spine. Change sides, take your left hand to the floor. Inhale, reach your right arm open. Exhale, hook your right elbow low on your left thigh, wiggle your elbow towards the ground. Again, you could stay there or reach your left arm up. Stay there or wrap your left arm around your low back. Focus on long exhalations. Help bring a sense of neutrality into your mind. Be curious, how does your energy feel? If you took the wrap, inhale, lift your left arm. Exhale, place your hand down. Use your hand to lift your torso up to center. Make a fist with your left hand. Place your fist over your belly button. Wrap your right hand over the top of the fist. Roll your shoulders open, inhale. Exhale, drape your torso over your thighs. Take your head to the floor. If it does not reach the floor, place it on a blanket or a block. You do want it to be supported by something, but let your elbows fall down towards the ground. Helps to bring a sense of broadness into your shoulders and into your upper back. And focus on your breath deep in your belly. This helps to stimulate and soothe your digestive organs. Helps to connect you to your individuality. Final breath here. Pull your low belly up and in. Inhale, roll your torso up to center, one vertebra at a time. Exhale, sit your hips to one side, swing your legs around in front of you, and lay down on your back for final Shavasana. So let your ankles fall open. Rest your arms by your sides, palms face up. One falling out breath, take a deep breath in your nose. Open-mouthed exhale, let your practice go. I will leave you here. Please linger for as long as you can to help integrate the effects of this powerful practice. I'll sing one Om Shanti Shanti Shanti, which is an offering of peace. Just receive it and then come up whenever you're ready. Om Shanti